For a simple fade in or fade out, go to the Effects panel and navigate to Transitions, Dissolve, and find Cross Dissolve. Alternatively, you can search for Cross Dissolve in the search bar. Drag and drop the Cross Dissolve effect onto either the start or end of your clip to create either a fade in or fade out. You can extend or shorten the duration of the fade by left-clicking and hold and dragging the edge of the fade effect to change the duration as required. You can left-click on the effect and then click backspace to delete it. Depending on what you're fading in or out of, it can sometimes be helpful to use either the dip to black or dip to white effect instead. This effect will fade your clip, starting or ending on either a solid white or solid black colour. Lastly, for full manual control, you can keyframe the opacity of the clip. With your chosen clip selected, open the Effect Controls window and navigate to the opacity option. Drag the playhead to your chosen point and click the button to set a keyframe. Move your playhead to the second chosen point, click to set a keyframe and adjust the opacity. You can now move these keyframes to extend or shorten the change in opacity.